Sunday morning in New York. 9 o'clock in the morning. 42nd Street pretty empty for the most part. There's always something happening. First up today, Nike. We're inside. I like that shirt. Wow. Second floor, women. This is nice. They don't have my size. Sneaker Lab. What? Good, good. Good morning. Wow. Oh my. I bought a shirt. Now I gotta carry this bag around all day. In the rain. Proceeding up Fifth Avenue. Church. There's a Nathan's food cart. I'm working here. Another church. Directly across the street, Trump Tower. The last time we were here, there were police and army men outside with like M16s. Now it's just a doorman. I suspect that's because he's in Florida. Also, I was an extra in a movie one time, coming out of the doors at the bottom of Trump Tower for the Jennifer Lopez movie. I think it was Made to Order. Looking up at 57th Street, look at the crane taking those things up. Coming up to the corner of 58th and 5th. Across the street, the Apple Store and Under Armour. It used to be FAO Schwartz. Plaza Hotel over in the background there. Coming up on Central Park. So one of the things we thought about doing today was taking a horse and carriage ride, but not in the rain. And so right across from the Plaza Hotel, this area over here, is kind of where Santa Claus crashed his sled and had Buddy help him back up to deliver Christmas presents. And over beyond this way, it's where the mighty Ozzy Osbourne was summoned by his superfan Little Nicky. And Popeye's chicken is the shiznit. Park Avenue. Down to Lexington. Off in the distance, Queensborough Bridge. Used to be a really cool vintage used clothing store over this way. So you got the Queensborough Bridge over here, but today's adventure, Roosevelt Island Tramway. For those not in the know, this is where Spider-Man fought the Green Goblin. Classic Tobey Maguire Spider-Man. And here comes the tram now. It's elevated to get over to Roosevelt Island. Here it comes. Have MetroCard. Will travel. Away we go.
I'm on the train coming up. That's a lot. Oh, really?
Explore time. Roosevelt Island. So Roosevelt Island is only just over 2 miles long. I don't think I've ever been here, or if I have, I just don't remember it. Queens is off in the distance. A little park. This is Firefighters Field. These trees blooming. Yeah, Wayne is blooming too. We stopped at Starbucks for some subpar coffee. This is the view from Starbucks. There are a lot more homes and apartments than I had considered being here. Look at this gallery. We're looking at the cost of these apartments to buy or condos. Studio starting about $500,000. That'll get you a cool 500 feet, maybe. With Zong Zong noodles. I'll make a note of it. Apartments everywhere. Manhattan, right across the river. And if you need to park your car, you can either look for street parking forever, or you have this one big garage. Get out of the park, Jack McManus Field. There's an emergency box here for fire or police, or you can literally just go right across the street to the fire station. Is this the smallest fire station ever? By the way, this field, really nice. Look at that soccer stuff. It looks like we have a community garden center over here. Look, it's Pony Field. And we're heading over to that building in the back there. That building is called the Octagon. That building was constructed in 1841 and originally known as the New York City Lunatic Asylum. It was then known as the New York City Mental Health Hospital. What? So this site was selected because it was thought to be conducive to both physical and mental rehabilitation. Here's some photos. Here they are building the bridge. Wow. Here's what it looked like once upon a time. And there's a lighthouse at the top of the island. So we have these stairs here, and they turn behind us. Look at that. So the crazy thing is, you could live here now. But more importantly, I would love to bring ghost hunting equipment over this way. Here's a look across the river to Queens. Also, don't go in here. Come up on the Blackwell House. Here's a little history. 1639, cabins of the first Dutch settlers. 1796, the Blackwell Farmhouse was erected. 1829, 1955, the home of the hospital and prison staffs. This is what the house used to look like.
Just to show you, because it was triggered on my memory. But it used to look like, so this is in 1975.
Yeah, and that's what we were going to say,
Wow.
this is what we.
This was the lighthouse.
Yeah,
All the buildings from
that's exactly.
changing them into
There's the
one
laboratory.
necessity. When they do that, then they can really.
The lunatic asylum.
This is nothing, there was nothing.
And there wasn't
Smallpox
Now
hospital.
they spend so much money. Look, we have Cornell.
The penitentiary.
Cornell got placed here.
The male alms house. And the female alms house. Fireplace is all sealed off.
They used to
Here's
make,
the lunatic asylum stairs. We were just in that building.
Called Nellie Bly.
Yeah. It's a sad house.
Blackwell's Island.
So, and that's actually where.
That's Joseph
I
Blackwell.
remember that, I can't.
It's hard to watch because like as time goes on, it
Church of the Good
requires those
Shepherd.
fixes in types of.
Smallpox hospital. FDR bust. Here's the tramway the way it used to look. This is 2014. Oh, and here's the old tramway token. Here's Roosevelt Island in the 20s. Not as many houses. Well, that was quite the trip. There's so much history to Roosevelt Island, formerly Blackwell's Island. Steeped. So much potential paranormal activity that should be investigated. We found the rare New York City duck. Beautiful day we're having today, guys. And here comes the tram back. It's super smooth. The rollers just shake it a little bit. I'll tell you, it's even smoother than like going on a ski lift for sure. And we're going into the Graduate on Roosevelt Island for their spectacular rooftop bar. All FDR pictures. Is that Jeff Lebowski? Oh, look at the elevator. Fancy. We're going up to the Panorama Room. We're gonna get a beverage and a snack. That cat is very big. And away we go. Oh my. So these are the menus. You have brunch, you have drinks. It is a little pricey, but it's a one-time thing. You also get this view. Look at that. So the view out for the rest of the island, they have the old smallpox hospital. It's actually where Spider-Man fought Green Goblin and killed him in the first Tobey Maguire movie. We also have this whole panoramic view of Queens and the city. And out in Queens, you have the Pepsi logo sign. Notable in one of the more recent Spider-Man movies. And there's the view of Midtown. There's more views inside. And then you can walk outside. Get a better view. And there's the tram going off in the distance. Look at this view. Some brunch vibes here. Look at that. The food is insane. Let's try a cocktail. Oh, cheers. Delicious. The donut is absolutely delicious also. The tram is here. Everyone's getting on. And
Good afternoon, everyone. Please keep your mask above your mouth and nose for the entire ride. Thank you very much.
Back at the hotel. That was a heck of a trip. Another 7 miles or so just wandering around the city and over towards Roosevelt Island. That's gonna do it for now. Thanks a lot for coming along. Thank you very much for all of your likes, comments, and subscriptions. Treat others the way you want to be treated. Have a great day. We'll see you guys.